trying to make it better and better, listening to feedback like this. I'm very happy. Okay. Just give me the rule book. I have to be preferring it because it's Calvin. Oh, just the one, yeah. It's true. The German rule book. And there's a solo campaign, which always is. Cool. Now, give each player a player card. One player screen. Each wooden list have you all of those things just check. Yep. Behind wooden plants, 9 shares. Just keep your shares like this, if possible. 50 upar. Yep. So that you can show your current share price to everyone. Then I hope that they'll buy your shares. Smaller on top. Slimmer. Small on top. Even what? It's always 31st, right? As a yeah.
Basically, yeah. You see your shares, those are opponents.
Your opponent shares are probably right. Right. Now,
What is this?
this goes to Tycoon token. This is a Tycoon shares. This is what I do for everything. Please keep it here for now. This comes as a
Last one is 70, right?
yeah. Last one is 7.
No, that price.
Thank you right now. Yeah. Unlocked Kickstarter. Have to promise such things so the people will learn back. Obviously. Okay. Yeah. Everything intact.
Yes.
Let's begin the rules.
On the table.
Alright. That's all we need to get started. That's about it. Are you ready? To be a tycoon. Drew is gonna take around 30-40 minutes. Are we pay attention? I'm going to. Yeah, we are here. We're here in the last one. Let's go and we'll figure it. If people throw us out, we'll see. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's try to. Let's do fast because we have this. Cool. Okay. Now there'll be a first tycoon player. This game has a tycoon player every round. This game goes over 7 rounds. To decide the first tycoon player, it's better if I tell you it's a random decision. So either you can decide now and then I'll explain the rules, or so that I'll distribute the money and we can just start. Maybe tycoon. I don't mind. Remember, you're giving me one extra action, which is slightly far. Yeah. So the tycoon gets 120 crores, 130 crores. Everyone else gets 150 crores. You can manage the money. We both can manage since it's closer to us. So these all are 50s. Each of these. So your money is hidden. So your screens, you will keep your money. Promoters, and your very hidden. I mean, you have to try to as much as possible. Sportsmanship.
I don't believe.
Trust me. And then 150. So I'll give you 108. You can see him. How much is there? 130?
Yeah.
130.
Yes.
50 plus 80.
86.
And I'll get 130 percent and so expensive, dude. This is very expensive. Yes. Believe me, but I really wanted seeing people to get this or less. Plastic. This is it's plastic, but inside there's a metal. That's why it's 1.5 kilos. Where is this?
Yeah.
It's like premium level.
It is. Every KBS is like. You prefer the savage chips. The
How much money do you have? 130 each? What is it? Okay. No, I'm playing now, so I can ask this. It's different. Okay, so I have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. Okay, clear? You all got our money. Let's start. Now, before you go to 3 more steps of player setup, it's important that you guys know the rules. Alright, what are we? We are tycoons. We have been inherited with this money from somewhere. And we want to now build our business empires. So the time is 1960, where government is not very sure. They're making industries but not letting it open to people like you and me who can do much better at much better profit. But now they realize it. The economy is opening up and it's our opportunity to take over the defunct existing industries and turn it into profitable ones. Okay. There are more than 60 industries in the game, but because of the setup, we'll play with these ones which are out. We will be bidding for these industries, trying to gain rights to build it. So industries will have the name, the age, photo, the revenue you gain, the asset value, which is very important, and certain other things, like which sector it belongs to. We are building across 6 sectors: finance, minerals, fuel, agro, power, and transport. As you keep building or as you keep doing things in the sector, you keep moving, use your discs, move up. As you move up, you become better and better, more powerful, and you gain better benefits. Okay. You also going to try to remember government is like still watching us, so you have to work closely with the government, and government is going to put out different Indian policies, which are again each of them is unique and they have historic flavor about what was relevant. But mainly they give you 3 benefits. They'll give you a certain power immediately or end game or passive, something like that. They give you favor, which is one of an important resource you want. They give you, then make an action powerful, which is called politics, which I'll explain. So industry policy stuff. The flavor text is now part in the game. It's just for you to read in a free time. So these are the 2 main cards in the game. Wherever you see plus P, it links to policy. Wherever you see I is linked to industry. Okay? Clear? No. This is just an overview of the game. This part is the map where we are building our plant. So with the plants, we all started 9. Okay? Each plant most likely will be linked to our industry, which we will try to win by competitive bidding. We will also be engaging in buying shares of each other, trying to increase our asset value. Ultimately, why are we doing all of this? Is we are trying to be either the best in asset value, which is this stat which is there spread across, but majorly you'll find it in industries, and indirectly by buying shares of others, you will improve it. Or we want to be the best in influence, which is like the victory point in most games. In this case, you'll gain through a host or wherever you see this icon, right? Now, this is tracker. Wherever you see this icon, it's linked to increase or influence. We'll start at 1, 2, 3, 4 somewhere, and we keep moving across. And if you are the player who is both the player with the most asset value and the most influence, you win. However, if you become, let's say you become the one with the most asset value, you become the one with the most influence. Both of them are separate from each other. So you both qualify to win. Between the qualifiers, we will check who has the most fame. They will.
So obviously, who has most resources than 4? It's not it. That's what it is.
No. So, there are many ways. So, if you see your reference card, or it's long here, it's this. So, you gain. So, end of game, if you see, there are these 4 major ways to gain asset value: industry cards, opponent shares, merit cards, and finance and transport cards. There are 3 ways. Main way of gaining influence is through whatever you see the icons, you move up on the track. So basically, if you go here, if you put it this here, you gain 1, and you just go here, this one, here also. Where they not land with the full setup here, but that's how we gain. Wherever you land and you see an influence, you gain it. There are many ways to gain endgame influence also, which is all these 2. Planning commission, which are these 3 cards, and industrial policies. Certain policies give you endgame influence. So if you keep, this is the entire game. If you pay attention to what is written here, you will figure out what to do with. Do they get finished? No. For this game, this is no. But yeah, there are a lot of varieties. Every game is very different depending on what source are. Okay. Now, I'll tell you about the gameplay now. Okay. Tycoon India 1980 goes for 7 rounds. We start with the setup round, which we're doing now. And we do 7 rounds of gameplay. Each round of the gameplay is divided into 4 phases. 1, 2, 3. We do all of them together, one by one, and unless it's simultaneous, move to the next round, do it, and so on till we do 7 rounds. Then finally we will trigger a revenue round, where all of us will get money from all the industries we have built and put our hard work in, pay off our loans, which most of us will have, and then do scoring. And you've seen that elaborate sheet. You will start scoring step by step. Yeah, that way. The bottom, the pick, that will kind of flow. If we go from top to bottom, we'll cover everything and it will give a clear winner. Okay, cool. Let's go 4 phases. Out of the 4 phases. Remember, every round there will be a tycoon player among 4 of us. That player is kind of like the start player, so that everything, actions and all starts with the tycoon. And the tycoon also has small decisions to take on behalf of the group. First, is the tycoon activates a new reach. Now, because we are in 60s India, the government is like trusting us, but not so much. It has trusted us at least to decide the zone of influence. So the map is divided into 4 regions, north, south, east, west. Each of the regions has exactly 8 cities. Okay. And the tycoon is just going to select one of the regions and put the pawn on that region. What happens is, for every plant in that region which the tycoon has chosen, every plant is gonna gain that benefit that many times as per the law. So if you have 3 plants, if I have 3 red plants in west, then I'll get 15 crores. Which is 5 per. If I choose this and add. So all of us get. Tycho just chooses.
As soon as you choose,
We just gain the bonus. In the first round, we are just blank slate, we don't have anything, you don't get anything. The next round onwards, the tycoon has to choose a new region. So this doesn't go back here, you have to keep moving up. The government wants you to build across India, not focus in one place. So and you'll see the incentives of going across. Here is very simple phase. Activate new region. Clear? Round event. Okay. There are 3 types of events which are possible. What to do is printed on this. You can do bid for policy. You can gain revenue. You may invest in a national project. Clear? यहाँ पे 3 चीजें लिखा है. P, revenue, in P. Let's go one by one. Remember policies? Policy. Round 1 is policy. Policy you will go in every round except 3 and 6. 3 and 6 are your revenue rounds. So you'll see the differences. Okay, not every round will fail such. You have to revenue and national project because government is like, oh, you guys have money, pay me, right? And help me, I'll give you something. Policy bidding. Remember, policy is very important. How do you bid? The second most important resource, apart from the money we pay, is promoters. Okay, which are these people which overall represent your managers, your top level, your people lobbying for you in the government and every. Okay. So they're like a common representative called them. Yeah, promoters. We will start at certain promoters headed. We will all simultaneously decide some number of promoters. We put it secretly out and then 3, 2, 1, we will reveal. Whoever has the most promoters, that player. If there is a tie, the tie will always be broken by influence clan. If 2 or 3 people are on the same position, the one in the top wins. Also, it's the tie.
the only difference between the bigger the score is the
3 and 1. Yeah. Same in favoriting, just for counting and change. Yeah. 3 and 1 for favor. Now,
these promoters are the only things that you use to
for policies,
only promoters. No money is in no money.
so easy way to remember is P. P for promoters, for policy. Policy leads to politics. It's all linked together. They all have their own small system. Industry wise, they have their own system. Whoever wins must pay all the big promoters to the tycoon and just in their pocket. The remaining 3 who lost must pay all the big promoters to their pool.
Hi, it's a pool.
We just started the live streaming. I don't know if it's tea.
But now it's coffee only this one. No, you see the receipt.
Oh, that's true. It compared to do all that is good tea. No. Okay. So the 3 non-winners or losers, whatever we are offering them, will put all their big promoters to their colored pool. This part is called strategy pool. Wherever it is bulk cycle, they're like you're sending them to generate, do work for you, generate ideas and take these actions later after. So this powers up something. Whatever you do in the game, it will power up something in future. So what you're saying is there's no wrong way of doing game. We'll see. Wrong way is there when this low Yeah, I mean, but yes, in this part at least, you will gain something. It goes here. If the tycoon wins, the tycoon has to pay the no bad. it will. So whatever you build, it will never come back to you. I have no idea. Slayer videos. The winner picks any of the two policies, adds it permanently to their district. Now activates the powers. Whatever is mentioned, just remember. Actually, in the first age 1 and 2, age 1 policies are all passive benefits or end game benefits. Age 2 is all instant. No. At most games. Now, whatever is not chosen accumulates a promoter. Consider. We all start with one policy by default. So, we'll get to that when we'll explain the.
So I guess it really depends on what you want to focus on.
You choose one, the remaining one gets a promoter and it's always replaced. So there will always be two policies open up. If the government wants to push, okay, you guys please do play as per this, what do you do? Clear policy reading, revenue and dividends. There is a way certain in which you will gain a lot of these industries. Okay, and when this round 3 and 6 happens, you will add all of the revenue values, not asset value, revenue, which is always half of asset value. Okay, and it ranges from 20 to 110. So you'll see the variety. But it will be inversely proportional to the influence that it gives. Add up all the values. That's very interesting actually. So because you'll see, you can balance both, but you will still be from like a realism perspective. It's a little interesting. Like you generate a lot of revenue, but it doesn't give you that much influence because you are saturating the market. And you're like just okay. But otherwise you're ethical, not making a lot of money. They're popular. Interesting. Gain revenue, then basically the similar thing, we just gain money from the bank. This is one of the main ways to gain money, but it only happens twice. It happens twice useful, and the last one is mainly for paying back loans.
So there's no way to buy these industry cards, they own them.
There are. And because of strategy, every rule has a weird twist to it. Okay. But regularly, if you want to play by the phases and not waste actions doing it, better to gain them during getting phase. That's why the government is putting out publicly. Buy my industry. So, add the money, gain the money, and dividends. Revenue ye ho gaya. Dividends is shareholding. If I have one share of you, two share of it, each of you will pay me $10 per share, 10 crores per share. It's a fixed. So 10, 20. I'll gain 40 crores from me. I will also gain 5 crores from the bank per share that I own. So 15 per share, 10 and 5. Okay. Clear? That's how you gain money in India. National projects, after revenue, starting with a tycoon and going clockwise, we may spend promoters and or money to gain influence and favor. We may spend in any combination of these two to gain that many times. Which way I can spend 3 promoters only to gain 3 plus 1/5. I will spend 6 promoters, 30 crores to gain this 4 types. I will spend this 90 crores to gain 18 influence and 6 favor. I've seen people go crazy, spend all their money to impress the government and raise up the drag. It's possible, doesn't break the knee. But you get only one chance to.
This is my God.
Okay, then you just managing it. I have to play here. So you're just managing. National projects here. Started trying to work out the field choose. We can pass.
That's not nice.
Those are national projects. No. That's what it says. This is planning commission. Yeah. Then the government has put out for you to gain more influence if you follow whatever they say. Okay. Now, 3 and 4 are where the main game lies. Industry building, actions. You're doing all of this to power these up as much as you can. Industry building, you do open building with money. Starting with a tycoon, let's say I'm the tycoon and going clockwise, you will exactly be 2 types, one after another. The minimum bid is the minimum value of these 3 industries, whatever you see. And we'll use one of our discs to track whatever bid. So please put one of your discs here. So let's say I can do, the minimum is 40, but I can start with 90 also. It's my wish.
But what industry are you doing
That
that?
is not required. It's serious thing. So you are only bidding for the entry. Interesting. Sorry, see.
The minimum value is the asset.
Minimum value is asset, maximum का कुछ नहीं. And don't think that 150 is the limit or something. You can backtrack at me. I think that happened once, just 2 days back, someone bid 200. Anyway, it blew my head, but it was it. That person still didn't break their bank. Anyways, start the bidding. The next person has to increase the bid by 5 crores at least, as you can see.
Yes.
Or you pass. If you pass in the first round, you cannot enter
Enter the second.
to even gain a bid in any industry. If you pass the second round, you may still have a chance to win.
If the others don't.
Don't overbid the enemy, yes. It goes on, again it comes back to me, it goes and ends with you. So exactly 2 rounds. After this, you will evaluate. The top 2 people will pay exactly what they write.
Okay.
The bottom 2 people don't pay anything. They instead gain 3 promoters for free from the cow people. So they're poor. The power of the strategy. It's a concession. You don't have to money people. You can bluff because there is an emergency loan concept which you can power up as a free action as many times as you want. You can take, but there's no interest. The interest is double. You have to pay at 50 at the end of it, as compared to a bank loan, which is much better, which I'll explain. 2 types of loans: action loan and free loan.
Not so free.
Okay. Now the people who won the 2, so there's always going to be 2 winners. यहाँ पे only 1 winner. यहाँ पे 2 winners. The best, which paid the win the most, that person gets the best pick. They pick any of the 3, any one. The second person has to pick any one of the 2. Doesn't really. Third one is if you were a promoter, if you feel I will proceed. When you win, you do not gain any benefit. You just block it. So you have won the rights. Now you have to place it and then build an office of your Cyrus Corporation to then start working
On any of the icon spaces.
Yeah, very good. So in the bidding phase, we only blocks plant and then bidding phase.
Yeah.
You pay the money, you pick an industry, you block.
What's the point of putting that? The PD on?
Because if only if you have this, you can take a bid action. You cannot just build if you just a novice. You can still, like I said, all of the rules are small twists, but in general you can. You need and you really want more of these, so that when you unlock it, you gain all of these things.
Sorry, backtrack.
But
If the person starts the game with this, right? Then everybody gains this much money.
if they have plants in West,
In the West, right? Here, everybody who has plants in the North, he getting 1 thing to it. So
per plant.
per plant. Okay.
If you have 6 plants, you get 6 NG.
So this is the
Promoter.
every
Plant gives you promoter.
one promoter.
Every plant gives you flavor. You say. Okay, any questions till phase 3? No, cool. Fine. Let's go to actions. बात कर. Oh, sorry. My bad. No problem. All right. So yeah. Okay. Industry reading.
Yes.
If you didn't win any, gain 3. Anytime you doubt, everything is written. Whatever I'm saying. Actions. Starting with a tycoon, you will take 1 action or you will pass. These are your action token. Okay. And you put 1 wherever you want to take, then do and take that. The next time you cannot repeat the same action. You can repeat twice, master twice, unless you have. You sit in the admin, huh? Pause, my friend. Yeah, cool. Yeah, this multiple cameras facing. They're like famous tycoons. And apparently I was finding for myself. That is a funny story I'll tell you later. Yeah, we'll just keep a couple of... Yeah, thanks. See you soon. I'll take it here later. So, the most complex action is big. The game revolves around mainly him, this letter, or industries, okay, and policies, right? So industries are linked to build. The more industries you build, the more you can build also. Now, you vary how you build. There's a couple of steps you have to take. What do you first? Choose where you want to build. Where can you build? You can build on any empty city. Okay. Second, how much do you pay? So for every construction, you have to pay construction cost. So now the cost is mentioned here. You have to pay to these two leaders to source that material. Who are the leaders? The players who go highest up on this price. If you are the highest, compare in that segment. And what is the type? The play in the top makes the type.
Person was recent.
Resync. It's the recency bias. And you can only build if you have card. You can only build if you have the in this basic group.
Yeah.
You will be fine.
There are uses there we have to the decision basically to one from
Yeah, sure. Then photo लेके भाग ही गया. ठीक है. Alright, this. Thanks a lot for doing this so amazing. So yeah. Anyways, I will give a better example, which is two different kind of uses. This. So let's say I had a good example. So let's say I would have built a coal mine industry in let's say this is Surat. So I first step chose a city. Then city must be empty, of course not occupied by any other there. Then you have to pay the cost. So the cost is, does the city max the iPhone? No. No. Good question. This is a benefit. This is a additional credit. This is additional benefit. So you gain both, and I'll explain. So before I place, I'll have to pay the price switching cost. Cost number one is minerals. I'll check in minerals who is high. Let's say you are here, and let's say you are here. So you have to pay to the leader of minerals, which is in green. You have to pay 2 into 4. So it's 2 times the level. So the higher you go, the more expensive the product, that raw material is, and everyone has to source from the leader.
was like update.
You are like the solid. Yeah, you're like the. Can you explain how you advance with that brand? Whenever you see these icons, when you build it, you basically take this move up. Okay. Wherever you see these, you try to move up in any 1 or 2 seconds. So far, from what you explained, is this mainly the industry. So far from what you far is. Secondly, all of these icons will give you one step up on that specific. That was so this main ways too. So matching the icon basically is like one extra step. One extra if you want. If let's say I really want, why not solo way on 2 to 3? I want to go fast, or do you want to diversify, or maybe there's some in-game work that you want to. Yeah. So there is a bonus of diversification. So it's like so cost. So for this and this, the cost is 2 per level. If there is no this, you have to assume the government is sitting here and you have to pay 1 into 2 to the bank. Okay. For these two, it's a bit weird. Because power and transport require distance. So it depends on where Tycoon is choosing. So if the Tycoon is in the west, we all are actually currently sitting in Bombay and taking all the decisions. So government, so Tycoon has said the government and both of them vote out for everyone to source the electricity from Bombay. So the farther you are from Bombay, the more expensive it is. So if that's it, so they have to pay 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, 4 crores.
and I'm assuming the big icon is the metro of that area.
Yes, the bigger icon, the double.
Yeah, you see
The double icons and a bigger font. At the metro, it's Bombay, Madras, Calcutta, and here. And that's where actually, and you will see industry growth started happening around that.
metro cities.
And all of the cities which you see have some industrial relevance.
These are tier 1 cities.
Yes.
Tier 2 unique.
And there are like Girako and Rautla, which are like steel cities, and there's a dam here. So yeah, you'll see the icon relevance as well. Okay, now, so this cost 2 into 11. If these are there as cost, you have to pay 1 into distance from the metro here.
And so therefore, by that logic, advancing on those two tracks is not really a way to gain money, but more so just to be retain leadership in the leadership.
That's true.
Yeah. So since you had it to us, so we extend by about 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
So around 7:45, 7:50, can you wind it down? That's it.
Wind it down, let's move it basically.
That is our
Thank you.
Cool. Cheap. Get some footage as much as you. So, yeah, clear. This means if I'm waiting here, should I get from Delhi or Bombay?
Bombay. Because you're in the Westfield Bombay.
So, which is why the typo in the first round, first phase is forcing everyone to build around that area. Because in the first game, you may not realize the very minor things. But you'll realize, oh, I can also trigger those things as a beginning. In the first game, you have
5 crores or fine, so like 5 crores.
Yeah. 1, 5. So there's 1, 2, and
Oh, nice.
hello, still rules it. Alright. Clear it? Yeah. After you pay both, so some of the cars are just one cost, which you just pay the one. But it is linked to how many steps it gives you. If it's moves 2 steps, it's 2, it's 1 seconds.
Can you please switch up the right?
This one, nah?